What's going on, guys? Raven here, bringing y'all another video. We're back here with the Spark, and got her up on ramps. Gonna do the oil change. Right underneath here, it's kind of hard to see, but the oil pan is right here. You're gonna see the transmission on the right side. The exhaust, there's the flex pipe. The cat's more up here. The exhaust pipe splits the transmission and the oil pan. So you've got the transmission oil pan gas or oil pan here, and the motor oil pan over here. This socket is gonna be a 15 millimeter. If you still have the factory bolt, it does have filling for a Torx bit, which looks to be, because my Torx set is AFK, looks to be a 30 or 40, T30 or T40, but we're going to use the T15. The oil filter's right here, so we'll be back soon. So as you guys see here, I've got the oil drain pan, just showing you some gloves, because I always wear gloves to do an oil change. I am sitting here getting that bolt off. It got very messy, and you'll see later that I will be cleaning it all up. Move the drain pan closer to the filter, which is right here. Beware, it's going to get messy. Try to do it one-handed, but need some extra grunt. And here it comes. More mess. Yay. So we got it off though, and now we're cleaning up the mess. As I said, messy. All right, y'all, just wanted to go over the part numbers and product that I'm using for this oil change. We got Castrol Edge, a 0W20, GM approved, so we're good on that scope. And a genuine AC Delco oil filter. It's going to be PF64 if you're getting it from Walmart or a parts store, whatnot. 12706-595 is the GM part number. So just going with the basics. OEM filter, Castrol Edge 0W20. As you see here, just showed you the drain bolt for the oil pan and that T30 or T40 socket. I still haven't figured that out yet, but cleaning up some more, getting it on super tight. You're gonna see me come back with the socket and try to tighten it on 2 separate occasions, just to make sure. You don't want to go too crazy with it, but you want to make sure it is tight enough that it's not going to leak. And you see me here, we are putting the old filter in the box so we can recycle it. Now I'm getting some oil to lube up the filter, make sure it's good to go. You got to make sure that that gasket is lubed up so it does not rip when you put it back on. All right, guys, this one's going to be a little bit less complicated here. This step of the process, the Chevy Spark, this 1.4 liter Ecotec motor, is going to take 3.7 quarts. Now this is a 5-quart jug. It's just cheaper than getting 4 quarts at $10 a piece. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to pour down to the 2 quart, which will give me 3 quarts in there, and then I will slowly pour in until we hit that 3.7 quarts after checking the dipstick. So here we go. A little bit of an unconventional pouring method here, but I'm just trying to not spill any oil in the engine bay. This part's pretty simple. We're just pouring some oil in. Take your time, no spills. Next, we're just checking the dipstick. You want to wipe it the first time and then put it in and pull it back out the second time to get an accurate reading. All right, guys, we're back. We're checking it again. We are on level ground here. So we're going to pull it out. We're going to check the dipstick real quick. Definitely don't want to overfill. We are good to go. So really that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I'll have another quick video of how to reset your oil life monitor. But really all we've got to do is we just double tap this, make sure it's not dripping anymore. Put an oil cap on. And the last thing we do is we're going to cut it on and make sure that we have no oil leaks from the filter or the drain plug. Alright guys, we just cranked it up. I'm not seeing any leaks from the oil filter, and I am seeing no leaks from the drain plug. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Everything's good to go. Now it's just time for cleanup. Just got some mess to clean up and we'll be done. Anyways, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.